If you look at this card, you can see a queen sitting on a throne. She is holding a sword in one hand, kept upright, which shows clarity, truth, and clear thinking. Her other hand is open and raised, which shows communication and a direct way of speaking, meaning she expresses her thoughts honestly, without hiding or softening the truth. The queen looks calm but serious, which shows she is practical, clear in her thinking, and not easily influenced by emotions. In traditional meaning, this card represents a person who is honest, direct, and has a clear understanding of situations. It also shows someone who has gone through life experiences and now makes decisions with logic rather than emotions. Overall, this card shows clarity, truth, honesty, and strong judgment. In tarot, a queen represents maturity, experience, and control. So, the energy of this card is clear thinking, independence, honesty, and strong communication. It can also show being strict, emotionally distant, or judging situations quickly. This card shows a phase where you need to think clearly, stay honest, and make decisions with logic. This is the Queen of Swords card. Yes or no? If this card comes upright, the answer is yes. It shows clarity, truth, and making decisions with a clear mind. If the card comes reversed, the answer is no, as there may be confusion, poor judgment, or difficulty in understanding the situation clearly. Career business studies. If this card comes upright, it shows clear thinking and good decision making. If someone is in a job, they may need to handle situations with logic and communicate clearly. If someone is not working, it shows the need to think practically and make decisions with clarity. If planning to shift a job, it is important to make the decision based on facts, not emotions. If choosing a course or learning something, they should choose based on understanding and long term benefit. For business, it shows the need for clear planning, honest communication, and practical decisions. If the card comes reversed, it shows confusion, wrong judgment, or poor communication affecting decisions. Love relationship. If this card comes upright, it shows honesty and clear communication. In the relationship, if someone is in a relationship or marriage, there may be direct conversations and a need to be truthful with each other. If there is a breakup, it shows understanding the situation clearly and accepting the truth. If it is a new love situation, it shows a need to think practically and not ignore important facts. If the card comes reversed, it shows misunderstandings, lack of clear communication, or emotional distance. Health. If this card comes upright, it shows the need to understand the situation clearly and take practical steps for improvement. If someone is healthy, it shows maintaining balance and being aware of their condition. If something new is detected, it shows the need for proper understanding and correct decisions. If the card comes reversed, it shows confusion, misunderstanding, or not handling the situation properly. General guidance. If this card comes upright, think clearly, stay honest, and make decisions based on logic. Avoid letting emotions affect your judgment. If the card comes reversed, take time to understand the situation properly before making decisions. Avoid confusion and poor judgment. So, this card tells you to stay clear in your thinking, be honest, and make decisions with logic.